Today I'm standing here in front of the brand new Eataly right here in Aventura Mall, the first one in Florida. This place is all about to bring the real Italian food and culture to life from scratch. So let's go and check that out. Oh, by the way, I'm Alexa. So as you walk through Aventura Mall, Eataly kind of just put you in. It's bright, buzzing, and it smells like fresh focaccia. Let's head inside. The first thing that caught my eye, this amazing mural by Romero Brito, a Brazilian artist known for his bold, youthful style. As someone who loves art, I really appreciate how Eataly brings in local and global creativity from the moment you walk in. And right here on the left is La Scuola di Eataly. Yes, they offer cooking classes. The schedule is posted right outside. You can literally learn how to make pasta from scratch in the mall. Incredible, don't you think? As we ride up, let me tell you a little backstory. Eataly started as a sketch on a piece of paper in November of 2002. Thanks to Oscar Farinetti, I hope so I pronounced it correctly, who have one of the simple idea to bring high quality Italian food for everyone under one roof at fair prices, and now it's a global hit. Okay, we arrived. Wow, look at this view. The space is open, alive, and absolutely beautiful. Over here on the left is the wine section, and yes, it's organized by region. You will see signs from Northern Italy, Pecorino, Piemonte, and more. It makes so easy to find what you like. And if you're feeling fancy, they got a whole champagne section. Look at this. This bottle is just $50 for such a premium bottle. Olive oils in every size, every flavor. And the best part, they told you exactly where in Italy each one comes from. It's like a grocery shopping. Here's my favorite rosé always, but wait, orange wine? That's new to me. I might have to try it next time. Vinegar for days, and look, Pinot Grigio vinegar? Yes please. Only $7.99? That one is coming home with me. One of my favorite islands, the pasta. From risotto to the tiniest handmade shapes, straight from Italy to your kitchen. Prices are super competitive, starting around $3.99 and up. Let me tell you a fun fact. Eataly stands for Eat plus Italy. Duh, clever, right? Oscar's idea was simple. Eat Italy, and that's exactly what we are doing. And here is el pastaio, a sit-down pasta bar where you can actually watch them make the food run in front of you. Heads up, it's so popular that you need to have a reservation ahead of time. Look at this mug. I need this. This belonged in my kitchen like yesterday. These little bite-sized sweets are sold by pounds so you can mix and match. I'm already obsessed. Homemade creamy gelato. Say less. Right across is la pizza alla pala. Think in Roman-style pizza paninis at quick bites, no reservation needed, grab a seat inside, all tables are outside. The cold section is a start. Sparkling water, Italian sodas, cheeses, salami, prosciutto, and pre-packed and ready to go. If your week is crazy busy, this area is gold for you. Ready to heat meals, made fresh, just pop it in the microwave and enjoy. And here is where it gets real. Fresh pasta by the pound, gorgeous cheeses, and meat counters that are beautiful, curated, organic, grass-fed, and so fresh. And here is the other restaurant, La Pizza and La Pasta. Great spot for a sit-down meal. Classic Italian dishes done the right way. Remember, you need to make reservations. And now we are in the checkout area, and you are surrounded by chocolate and sweets. Dangerous, right? And then, I see something. To run! Are you kidding me? This is my childhood favorite sweet. You know what? I'm taking this home. And the final stretch. Fresh vegetables, daily local products, and the cutest bouquet of flowers. It's like a farmer's market, but inside a mall. Eataly has several locations all over the world, but this one is the very first one in Florida. And guess what? It's coming another one in West Palm Beach. So I'm here sitting at Il Pastaio watching fresh ravioli being made. And here's my meal: focaccia blanca, cacio e pepe, and a chilled glass of wine. To good food, great vibes, and Italian magic in South Florida. Saluti!